How to use cardless cash on Union Bank app. Welcome back to our channel. Open up your banking app and you just want to type in Union Bank on the web address bar, or you could open up your app as well. Once you're logged into your Union Bank online app or website, you want to navigate to online banking and select the cardless withdrawal feature. So you can just go ahead and locate the cardless withdrawal feature in the home page. Choose the account you wish to withdraw from, and this is only available for savings account. And you have to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and specify the Union Bank ATM location as well. There you want to nominate the PIN, that is, create a 6-digit PIN code of your choice. Do not forget this, as it is not stored by the bank as well. Then you have to enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to authorize the request. And a system generates a 6-digit code will be sent to your registered email and a mobile number, after which you can just go ahead and withdraw it. Or this is how you can do it. If you're using an ATM, you would go to any Union Bank ATM, select cardless withdrawal from the list of services on the screen. You have to enter the PIN 1, your nominated PIN, and a PIN 2, the system generated code. Then you have to enter the exact amount you request in the app, collect the cash and the receipt. This way you're supposed to use cardless cash on the Union Bank app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.